Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Pandy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very easy to draw. It's pretty much like all the other Roblox Piggy characters. So to begin, we're going to draw in the head first, which is just going to be one big circle. Alright, and then from this circle, we're going to come right to the center of this, make a little point. So that's going to be the top of the snout area. And then from this point here, we'll just draw one circle coming down, almost to the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much going to give us the snout area, and then now for the eyes. So just whatever space you have here, just come at an angle. Let's draw a circle, and then same thing here. And then on the inside of the eye right here, I'm just going to add a smaller circle. And let me shade around it, because it'll look a lot better. Okay, and then for the cheeks, just come out to the side right here. Just one little egg shape. So this one is very basic. And then now for the ear, so just come up from the eye right here. Just draw kind of like a half circle, almost the size of the eye. So just come up. And let me shade these all in, so that it'll look more like a panda with a black and white. And I'm going to shade this part in as well. Looks nice and easy with a Sharpie. Alright, yeah, that looks a lot better, right? It looks like actually looks like a panda. Alright, so now that we have the head, let's come in and finish up the body. So right around here, I'm just going to draw 2 little dots first. And then from here, we'll come down to draw the gown. Just draw a little bit wider on the bottom. And let's make it a little bit longer. Okay, so from here, let's just go ahead and finish up the bottom. So I'm just going to curve inwards. And then right here, maybe just 2 little bumps, just to give it some folds. And then from these corners right here, we'll just go up. And we can add some from the top too, coming down. So that's pretty much it for the body. So it's very simple to draw. And then now let's draw in the arms. So let's draw in the shoulders first. So we're gonna come back up here. Just curve down. And then here's the armpit. I'm just gonna add one little line coming out. And then now for the lower arm, just a really long bracket. So I'll draw in this side first. Well, I'm going to draw in this side too, since they're kind of the same thing. And then let me finish up the hand over here. So from this point, let's draw one little bump here. That's gonna be the thumb. And then on this part here, just curve all the way down, round it out, and then just connect to that. And if you want to, we can add in one little bump here for the other fingers. Alright, so now let's draw in this hand, and this one's holding the little bamboo stick right here. So before we draw in the hand, we're gonna draw in the stick first. So just come down right here. Let's draw one little curve. And then we're gonna flare this out. Make it a little bit wider on the bottom. Round out the tip. And then now we can finish up the hand right here. So just add one little arc, just go right into the stick right there. So one little curve. Alright, and if you want to add in some details right here, you can add in some bumps, 1, 2, and 3. And if you add it to the top, we got draw in the bottom as well, so same thing here. I know it's kind of small, kind of hard to draw with a Sharpie like this. Alright, so let's draw some bumps, and then for the curve, we're going to connect these. Just draw like little curves like this, so that makes it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Alright, so that is it for this Pandy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.